Hey guys, it's me Popunder, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make lots of money online by using CPA marketing and free traffic. But before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video. And if you have any question related to this video, then ask me in the comment section below. So this is a landing page that we need to use, and you can change everything that is available at here, and I am going to provide you this landing page for absolutely free. Just keep watching this video. And firstly, let me show you how this landing page works. So whenever people arrive to this landing page, then they will read this and click on this button. Okay, when they click on this button, then what happens? They will go to this page automatically. Now you don't need to create this page. Okay, I'll show you everything. And when they arrive to this page, it says download the rich dad poor dad book for free. And if they click on this download now button here, they can see the comment also by other people, and they will see complete a task below to prove you are not a robot. And whenever they click on any task, then after that they can easily download this book for free. Okay, and when they complete this task, then we are going to get paid inside this CPA group. So if you don't know what CPA group is, then CPA group is a cost per action. Okay, cost per action network, which you can join for absolutely free. It just takes 2 minutes to sign up to this platform, and you can get your affiliate links for this kind of offer from CPA group, and I'm going to show you each and everything here. Okay, so let's talk about the landing page firstly. Okay, so I have built this landing page inside System.io. Okay, let me cut it. And so I have built this the landing page that you saw previously. I was built on System.io, and System.io cost you nothing, okay, per month, $0 per month if you want to build up to 10 landing page. So here it is written sales funnel step, but we can build up to 10 landing page here for absolutely free. And if you get upgrade to their $27 per month plan, then you can make up to 50 landing page. Okay, so for now it is absolutely $0 per month, and I have given a link for all of these landing pages that I have created in past, and I have shown everything in my YouTube channel about this landing page also. But for today's video, we are going to use this landing page. Okay, when you click on the link that is available in the description of this video, that is also going to be a share funnel link for this affiliate lander. You will automatically get all of these landing page, and when you get all of these landing page, then what you need to do is you need to simply click on this funnels. Okay, when you click on this funnel, if this funnels is not appearing at here, then what you can do is you may see some drop down at here, okay, anywhere, and you see where is the funnels, then just click on that funnels. Okay, after you log into your System.io free account, and then you will see this kind of affiliate landers. What you can do is simply click on that affiliate landers, and you'll see all of these landing page. Now if you don't need any landing page, you can delete it and recreate another landing page. Okay, what you need to do is you need to come to this in download premium book landing page, and if I show you this landing page, then it is the same landing page that I have shown you previously. Okay, so now you can customize everything that is inside this landing page. Okay, so now in order to customize this landing page, what you need to do is you need to firstly click on here and then click on this edit page. So you can change the name here, you can change the URL at here, and you can click on this edit page. So now once you visit to this edit page, then if you click on here, then you can change anything you want here. You can type here. Okay, similarly, if you want to change everything at here, you can simply click on here and delete everything that is available at here and start to type your own thing. Okay, similarly, if you want to change the image, simply click on this setting and cross this and click on this upload, and select a file from your desktop and upload it at here. And if you want to change the link that is in this button, then you can simply click on this setting and you can change this URL. Okay, you can paste your URL at here, and once you are finished, then you can click on save change. You can see the mobile view of this landing page. It will look like this. Okay, in desktop it will look like this, and you can click on save change and exit. Okay, and once you the page has not been just saved now. Okay, let's click on save now, and then what you can do is again click on here and click on this view funnel step, and then just copy the URL. Okay, this is going to be the full URL. Okay, this is going to be the full URL, and it will also be at here. Okay, once you click on this I button and see, then you will see the your landing page URL in this way. Okay, you can simply copy this URL. Okay, this will be your landing page URL. So now what you need to do is, firstly you need to provide your audience, those people who arrive here, you need to provide them what you have promised. Okay, and so this Rich Dad Poor Dad is a premium book. Okay, it is being sold on Amazon. At here you can see people are buying in Amazon. Okay, so now you can take this so whatever text that I have kept in this landing page, let's click on this edit again and let me show you. So whatever text I have kept at here, I have pulled it out from Amazon. This explore the myth that you need. Okay, and if you see explore the myth that you need to earn a high income to become rich. Okay, this kind of text you can change by looking the book details in Amazon. Similarly, you can also search on Google for this kind of cover image and put it in your landing page, and click here to download the book for free. So now how will you provide this book for absolutely free? For this you need to go to one site that is called pdfdrive.com. Okay, so when you go to pdfdrive.com, then you will find most of the paid books for absolutely free in this platform. So whatever book you need, just type that book name and click on search. So once you click on search, then you will see this kind of interface. Here you can see they are providing this Rich Dad Poor Dad for absolutely free, and this much download have already happened at here. So now people just need to click on this download and they will be able to download this book for absolutely free. Okay, and people are actually buying this book in Amazon by paying some money. So now what you need to do is you need to copy this URL. Okay, you need to copy this URL for now, so that whenever anyone complete the task, then you should send them to this exact page so that they can download this book. That way you will keep your promise to your audience. So now you have got this link. So now what you need to do is, now you need to go to CPA Group. So firstly, if you don't have an account on CPA Group, then please do sign up. It is one of the best platforms that you can utilize to make money by using this type of email submit offer or small survey offers. So once you sign up and log into your CPA Group account, then just go to this monetization tool and then click on this URL file lockers. And then what you can do is you can either create, or you can click here or here. You just click on create new and click on agree the terms of service and click on continue, and then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. So now what you need to do is, so the logged URL should be this URL. Okay, this URL where people can download this book. So now what you can do is, in logged URL, just paste that URL. Okay, and now it says complete a survey below to continue. So now what you can do is, let's see what we have previously written in our. So if people come here and click on here, then what will they see is, they will see download the Rich Dad Poor Dad book for free. So let's copy it and go to our CPA Group account, and in here let's delete everything that is at here and paste this. Okay, so now if there is another book that you are trying to give away, then you can change the name of the book only at here. And then now here says begin download. What you can do is delete begin and click on download now. So now after that, whenever people click on this download now button, then it says complete a task below to prove you are not a robot. Complete one task you can write. Okay, so let's in here delete it and write complete one task below to prove you are not a robot. Okay, and once you write this, then here you can see show offer. There are 3. You can increase it to 4, 5. Okay, but 3 is fine. Okay, it will automatically provide offer from CPA Group, so you don't need to add these offer manually. Okay, so once you do this much, then what you can do is, here you can see there are lots of comments from users. This is automatic comment that you don't need to make. Just click on save. So now once it is saved, then you can get your link for this file. Okay, and you can simply click on get link, copy this link and go to the editor and click on this setting button. In this button, delete this link, paste your link in this way. Okay, and open in same window. So once you click on save, then your landing page is ready. Okay, now you can simply click on this exit, and then you can simply again click on this view funnel step, and you will find your landing page URL at here. Just copy this. Okay, so now it's time for us to get the traffic. Okay, so keep watching this video because I'm going to give you some golden nugget that you can use to make more money by using CPA Group and this landing page with free traffic for absolutely free. So now what you need to do, we firstly created our content locker at here, and then we also edited our landing page, learn to edit our landing page, and then we got our URL for this landing page. So now it's time for us to drive traffic. Okay, so now this is one of the popular book that lots of people know. Okay, especially who are in personal development, who are interested in personal development, or who are interested in like investing, they love this book. Okay, and most people, even they love this book, they may not have a chance to purchase this book or that thing. Okay, so what you can do is you can simply go to Facebook and type book lovers. You can join these groups. Now once you join this kind of group, then what you can do is you can simply click on visit group. So I'm telling you this for long term strategy. Okay, so now you can read the type of post that people are making. So here you can see any recommendation for a book that is inspirational when you are feeling stuck, could be a self-help book or even an autobiography. Prefer something that isn't so preachy. So now what you can also, by reading this post, you got an idea what type of post you are going to make. Okay, you can read other posts also, so that you can have more proper idea on what type of post you need to make. So now once I read this, then what I think is, so is there any recommendation for what I can type is there any recommendation for investing, book related to investing? If there is, then please suggest me in the comment section below. And furthermore, if there is any free download place that you can recommend, then that would also be fine. And if you want Rich Dad Poor Dad book to download for free, then you can visit to this link. Okay, and just give your URL at here. But if in some case this type of group don't accept this kind of URL, so what you can type is, if you need, at last, if you need this Rich Dad Poor Dad book to download for free, then please you can kindly message me, and I'll give you the link to download. And whenever someone message you after seeing that post, they may recommend you some book, and then they may also ask you for this kind of link, and you can provide this link for to them to download this book. And when they go to download, then they will click on this button and they will need to fill this complete this one task, and they will be, only after that they will be able to go to this link to download this book. Okay, and they will be thankful for you to provide this link if they complete this task and come up to here, so that they can also get lots of book for absolutely free. So and this can be one way to go with this book lovers type of group. Second type of group is like investing for beginners. Okay, so this book is also related to investing. So what you can do is you can go to this kind of investing group, and then you can see what type of post people are making and make the post in that format. And if possible, don't leave your link there. And what also you can do is you can if just let's say you get you got lots of messages for the you got lots of messages by people asking for you to get this link. Okay, then if you start to send too many if you start to send this link to too many people in message, then also Facebook may flag this link, okay, and it may not work. So what you can also do is you can just type this kind of, you can just copy and paste your link either in mobile phone or in notepad in this way, okay. And what you can do is you can just take a screenshot. So if you don't know how to take a screenshot, then there is an app called Greenshot. You can download it for free and you can take a screenshot of this link. And what you can also do is so what you can also do is, because I am getting lots of requests to get this link to download Rich Dad Poor Dad for free. So Facebook is not allowing me to send this link, so I have typed it below. Visit to the link below and download it for free. What you can do is you can just create this kind of text, okay, and then what you can do is you can download this Screenshot app and just capture this, okay, capture this full area this way. Let's capture it and save as display dialog and click on this desktop message, click on desktop. So now whenever someone asks you for the link, then you can simply send this message if Facebook is not allowing you to send this link in your message anymore, okay. And they will not stop you from sending this kind of photo to how many people you want, okay, because those people are firstly sending you message, okay. You are not going in their inbox and sending messages to the random people, okay. So in that way you can use this landing page and CPA Group and this free traffic source to make money for lifelong. So now what you need to understand here furthermore is that it is not compulsory to use this Rich Dad Poor Dad, okay. There is another book called Think and Grow Rich. If you search that here, then you will also get this book, okay. Here you can see how many people have downloaded already. You just click on it and again repeat that process. So whatever book, you just need to find some popular book, okay. You can search on Google about popular book and come to this pen drive and paste the name of the book. Also what you can do is you can also read this kind of self-help book, because it will only grow your knowledge, okay. Again, you can read lots of book in this way also. Now these are some premium book that you can also get absolutely free, so there is no any minus point on reading this kind of book. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and do comment below to ask me question if there is any, or if you have anything to say about this video, then also you can comment below and I'll be more than happy to read those kind of comments. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. And if you want to make passive income for lifelong, then as you can see below, there is in this black text in this yellow banner, you can visit to the first link that is in the description of this video, and there I'll put the best thing that can help you to make passive income for lifelong. So this much for today video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.